Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to understand the demonstration of mental stress or mental health detection project using machine learning algorithms. So here we are dealing with the mental stress. We are identifying the stress from the user's image, the photograph, and in which we'll detect the emotion of that person, whether that person is sad, happy, or neutral emotion, or in fear. So that is one aspect. So from that, we'll calculate the stress level, and also we will ask the person to enter information about himself or how he is feeling, and based on that also we can identify the stress level. Now for the first thing, that is the stress detection using image, we are using the convolutional neural network model, and we are finding out the emotion from that picture, and based on that emotion we are predicting the stress. And the second aspect, where we are using the text input from the user, there we are having the natural language processing or the NLP algorithm along with the naive based machine learning classifier to predict the stress level, and the combined result of both these things will be considered for the final prediction. At the end, when the stress is detected, the user can take support of the chatbot. This chatbot will help user to reduce the stress. He can ask the chatbot will ask the problems and the interest of the person, and accordingly the chatbot can provide the medicine, or the chatbot can provide the motivational video links, or maybe the books, or maybe the motivational quotes to the user, and then user can get motivation from that, and the stress level can be reduced because of these factors. Now let's see the implementation of this. For implementation purpose, we are using the Python as a backend programming language, also the SQLite database, and at the front end side, we are using HTML and CSS coding. Now, as far as the algorithms are concerned, we are using NLP, naive Bayes, and the convolutional neural network for the implementation of this project. Now, let's go to the browser, and we have to hit localhost colon 5000 to run the application, and the new users can register over here, and the existing users can directly go and log in. So now I will directly go and will log in over here. After you logged in, you will get so many options. Now first option is stress detection using image. So here I need to upload my picture. So for example, I can upload my picture from here, and then I can click on test. Then it will detect my emotion. Now, first of all, it has detected emotion as happy in this picture, and as it is happy, there is no stress identified in this picture. Now, stress detection using the text. Now, here also you can put your information, and you can type like this to them. Hi, my name is Atul, and I am not feeling good since last 2 days. Something like this you can type, and then you can check the stress is detected because this is the negative sentiment, and that is the reason the stress has been identified. Now the combined result of this and this is the final prediction. So the final prediction says there was no stress in the image upload, but there was stress in the text mining, or that whatever text you have inputted. So because of that, the depression score or the stress score is 50%. And now if you want to take the support of chatbot, then you can take the support. Now here you can enter your details and all those things, and then you can ask. Now first of all, the chatbot will ask you which is your problem, whether you're having the financial problem, health problem, or the relationship problem. So you need to ask, the chatbot will ask this kind of thing. Then you can just like, I am having, say, financial problems since last few months. Something like that you can type and hit enter. When it asks whether what is your into, whether you want a video, book, or something. So you can say, okay, I want motivational video So in that case, it suggests the YouTube link for the motivational video. So you can ask something like, can you also suggest me any book? So it has suggested the book. Okay, so this way you can chat with the bot, and okay, let's say thank you and say, and that's the response from the chatbot. So this is the way the chatbot first understands your problem, what is your problem, and based on your problem it suggests whether you like video, you like book or codes or the medicine, and accordingly it will suggest book, medicine or video according to your choice. And here it's not like strictly you have to put like just a book or problem, just say financial. You can type entire description. It will understand your interest from that description using NLP algorithms, and then it will understand your text, and based on that it will predict the things for you. So that's the complete implementation of this project. In case you need the code of this project or any support regarding this project, then you can check the description box under this video. Thank you.